Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to archive all chats on WhatsApp Messenger. So let's get started our video. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. So first you need to update your WhatsApp Messenger from Google Play Store, and after that you need to launch on your WhatsApp Messenger. Then you need to tap on the top right corner three dot option. There you can see three dot option on the top right corner. Just tap it, and after that you can see option settings. So just tap on settings, and then you get a option on the second, chats. So just select it, and now you need to scroll down, and on the last there you can see a option. There you can see chats history. On the last option, chats history, just select it. Then you can see a option on the second, archive all chats. So if you want to archive all chats on WhatsApp, just select this option, archive all chats. Now you need to confirm it. Are you sure you want to archive all chats? You need to confirm it. Okay, that's it. Now your all chats are archived on WhatsApp Messenger. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.